to 13151 Roberts Road in Chunchula, Alabama. This farm-style home features a custom-built island with a kitchen sink built from a whiskey barrel. You also have a farm-style sink. All these cabinet doors open up to pull-out drawers. The living room features a fireplace with gas logs. Welcome to the primary suite. Very spacious bedroom. The primary bath features dual vanities with a combination shower and soaking tub. You have 2 bedrooms on this side of the home as well as a hallway bath. The bath and the bedroom here has brick flooring. This bedroom has a nice size walk-in closet. The last bedroom is the only room with carpet, and it also has a nice size walk-in closet. This home is perfect for entertaining. Open floor plan offers plenty of room for a formal dining room, plus a living room. Off to the right is a sunroom, and you have a screened-in back porch to the left. One of my favorite features of this home is the serenity of the acreage, yet you can still get AT&T 5 gig fiber. So you have the benefit of being able to work from home and stream your services. The laundry room and pantry is behind this door. Let's head upstairs to see the 4th bedroom. A loft bedroom up here with a closet. You have French doors up here that lead you to an exterior staircase. So this room has its own private entrance. The screened-in back porch offers more room for entertaining. Also have a covered deck out here with an extended patio. This could be your hunter's dream. Game cameras have spotted deer, wild pigs, doves, quail, and rabbits. The land also produces wild blackberries, brown cherries, elderberries, and wild plums. Call today for your private showing. 251-234-9919. Do you need to sell before you can buy? I list and sell real estate in Mobile and Baldwin County. Call today so I can give you a free market analysis and show you how I leverage virtual tours, my social media, and my YouTube channel to get you the most money for your home.